ibig sabihin you are adapting the culture of other countries, and that will also tend, or that will be also the reason on why you are losing your culture, or you are forgetting the culture, yung kultura na nakagis. Hello team! Welcome back again to my channel. Alright, so ngayon, pag-uusapan natin kung ano ba ang ibig sabihin ng cultural globalization. And by the way, on our previous topics, we already defined what is economic globalization and political globalization. At ngayon, pag-uusapan naman natin kung ano ang cultural globalization. Okay, so if you are ready, then let's start! So, according to the definition of Manfred Steger, he defined it as the interpenetration of cultures, which as a consequence means nation adopts principle, beliefs, and costumes of other nations, losing their unique culture to a unique or globalized supra culture. Okay, so that is the simple definition of cultural globalization. So sabi dito sa definition, sa cultural globalization daw, ibig sabihin you are adapting the culture of other countries, and that will also tend, or that will be also the reason on why you are losing your culture, or you are forgetting the culture, yung kultura na nakagisnan mo. Okay, so that is globalization. So, cultural globalization, ito yung pag-adapt mo ng kultura ng ibang bansa. Okay, so paano mo na-adapt yung mga kultura nila? Okay, so sa mga previous na discussion natin, palagi kong sinasabi na na-adapt ang kultura ng isang bansa by merely watching or imitating the way they live or the way they dress. So when you are watching Korean movies, okay, so most of you are trying to imitate how Koreans look or how Koreans dress themselves. So ganyan ang cultural globalization. Not only on the way they dress, but also kung paano yung language nila, paano yung paano yung mga foods nila, and everything, including music and other. Okay, so that is cultural globalization. So the way of life. So you are adapting the way of life of other countries. Okay? So ang Pilipinas din, some of the other countries also are trying to adapt how Filipinos dress, or how Filipinos, or they are adapting the dishes of the Filipinos. Okay, so that is cultural globalization. Alright, so that's all about the definition of cultural globalization, and I hope that you have learned something. And if you have any question regarding our topic today, you may write it down on the comment section, and I will give you back a reply once na nakita ko. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like this video today and subscribe to my YouTube channel in order for you to be updated with my next video tutorial. Okay, so goodbye team!